that you say that parents may be held liable for their children punya online activities too?
No, because as of now, the sexual offences law, is the provision is very clear. For example, when I spoke just now about Section 19, Section 19 is a section under the Sexual Offences Act, the SOAC Act, that says that anybody, whether parents or teachers or neighbours or family members, is aware and you don't inform about it, you are liable for the offence. So if you pair it with the Online Harms Act, the Online Harms Act is more about the implementation of in that platform and the duty which is expected. But of course, for me, when you talk about children, you must also read with the Child Act. Right? The Child Act talks about the duty, the responsibility. You have to read. That is taken care of under the Kementerian Wanita. As far as we are concerned, we are looking into the SOAC Act, which is implemented by PDRM, certain offences. But the SOAC Act, you look at it carefully, is very, very wide. It looks at a lot of situation. So the online harms is more about the digital platform. Especially now, the biggest challenge is the issue on AI, when they are using certain format. So that's why I have written to the Digital Minister, YB Gobind, in reference to looking to more AI laws for our country. There should be a joint committee between Bahagian Haluan Undang and Kementerian Digital on more laws on AI, a joint committee.
Datuk Seri, di Malaysia tak ada lagi undang-undang AI ni.
We don't have. Not focus on AI. So because when you talk about AI, it's a different kind of platform, and the process of evidence for AI itself is also going to be a very so like the only law that exists in the world today is the AI law in EU. But that one, they already prescribed the kind of situation and the kind of premise that they describe. So we have to study the law, for example, to see how we want to match it to Malaysia. Because the AI is going to be, okay, let's talk today. One of the issue is like you talk about banking documents that you sign. Now you still can go to court and say that, well, you did sign a document and you signed digital signature. If you have a situation where someone comes up with a defense, you say, can you prove I sign or I don't sign? So of course your proving mechanism is all very technical. So the law has to fit into that situation, because the situation now with AI is all a different situation. It's not like a normal situation. So now on our part, we have already got the contract law committee, we've got the criminal law committee. We are looking to all this also. So these committees are chaired by seasoned judges, retired judges. They're all looking to certain situation that we have today. So we will pull in and start combining to see from their perspective on the existing law that we have.
AI law tu rasanya akan dibicarakan tak dengan contoh yang masalah
see, for us with when we went to certain countries, they already got certain laws, but their laws are not khusus macam EU law lah. Dia punya law sikit. So like for example, the law minister from Uzbek will tell us their experience when they are digitalizing. See, one of the issues that I have today for me on Bahagian Undang-Undang is that we want to digitalize the court. Okay, now we have voice to text, and then we have a lot of online system. But what we want is that we want the court to be more efficient. So the court is taking in documents, more digital documents, but we want it to be more. We want it to apply not only in Putrajaya, but it must apply elsewhere, especially at district court, outstation. So those are areas that we have to look at. So these are things that we have to keep moving. You understand that? Because this is all new things. What we have now is already there, but we have to improve. So when we learn from other countries, they are also improving their system. So we're learning from each other.